Have you ever wondered if two common kitchen ingredients could help support healthier plants? Today I'll show you an easy homemade Masoor Dal and Chana Dal plant tonic that's inexpensive, natural, and suitable for many plants, including vegetables, flowers, herbs, houseplants, orchids, succulents, fruit trees, and more. Take 1 liter of clean water and add 2 tablespoons of Masoor Dal and 2 tablespoons of Chana Dal. Let them soak for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And during this time, the water absorbs naturally occurring compounds released from the pulses. After soaking, strain the liquid. Use this strained water to moisten the soil around your plants. Masoor Dal and Chana Dal naturally contain nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, protein, and trace minerals, which may help support healthy root development and steady plant growth when used as part of a balanced plant care routine. Apply this tonic once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Here's another simple method. Grind 2 tablespoons of Masoor Dal and 2 tablespoons of Chana Dal into a fine powder. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons around the base of each potted plant, or lightly mix it into the top layer of garden soil. As the powder gradually breaks down, it adds organic matter and slowly releases nutrients that help improve soil fertility over time. Remember, this homemade plant tonic works best alongside proper watering, healthy soil, good drainage, and adequate sunlight. It is a natural supplement, not a replacement for a complete plant nutrition. If you enjoyed this gardening tip, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other plant lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.